everyone, welcome to day 253 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, we are looking at part 2 of the Providence stitch. So yesterday's video we completed till row number 6. This is how my work looks like. If this is the first video you are landing, this is a two-part video. The part 1 is already on our channel. You can check it out, complete till row 6 and come back to this video. Now we are starting off from row number 7 where we'll be creating these two puff stitches, which is very similar to the row 1 of puff stitch. Okay, for row 7 you start off with chain 3, turn your work, make 1 triple crochet, so you skip the chain 1 space right here and you directly start off your set of 5 front post back post triple crochet stitches. Since this is an odd row, we start with a back post stitch. Okay, around the puff stitch you make a back post triple crochet, now we are here at the chain 3 space from the previous row where you make so you make a chain 3 and make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, now you chain 4. This is very similar to the row 1. We have done we have done our 3 double crochet stitch and now we are going to chain 4, okay, and make the puff stitch. So we have this 3 stitch decrease from the previous row. On top of that you're going to make your puff stitch. Okay, again chain 4, skip all these stitches and you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches here. Okay, and you start again, you do a chain 3 and start your group of 5 stitches with a back post stitch since it's an odd row. Okay, now you skip these stitches and directly start your front post back post stitch, group of front post back post stitch with a back post triple crochet. So far we have been increasing this part of the eye and decreasing the middle portion. Now after this row we'll be increasing the middle portion and decreasing on either sides. Okay, again chain 3, and make 3 double crochet stitches here, chain 4, and find the middle decrease stitch which is right here and make your puff stitch. Again chain 4, skip all these stitches, make 3 double crochets, chain 3, and start your group of 5 stitches. Okay, now end your work with, going to skip this chain 1 and end your work with 2 triple crochet stitches, just like how we started our row. Okay, so that is end of row number 7, where we have completed this part of the eye and we have started the puff stitch for the eyes on either side. Now for row number 8, chain 3, turn your work, make 1 triple crochet on top of the triple crochet, next triple crochet, chain 1, and start your group of 5 stitches with the front post, since this is an even row. Make your front post puff stitch, okay. Now you're going to chain 3, into the chain 4 space you're going to make 6. This is from here on, it is just a repeat row from row 2. Wherever there is a chain 4 space, you'll be making 6 single crochet stitches, 6 triple crochet stitches. Wherever there is a chain 4. So after the chain 3, you just skip these double crochet stitches, and into the chain 4 space you make your 6 triple crochet stitches. So this is where we make 15 triple crochet stitches. So that's 6. On top of the puff stitch, you make 3 triple crochet stitches. So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. So into this chain 4 space, again you make 6 triple crochet stitches. Okay. So now again you are going to skip this double crochet stitches. So just like row number 2. So this is a repetition of row number 2. where we skipped all the double crochet stitches. So here also we'll skip this double crochet stitches. Instead, make 3 chains and directly move on to your 5 group of 5 stitches. Okay. Now chain 3 and move on to the next group of 5 stitches. So again, now we have decreased the center portion, so that the center portion increases and the sides starts to decrease. So this is where this part is like row number 2, where you do the 3 chains in between the two group of 5 stitches. Again, chain 3, skip the double crochet stitches, into the chain 4 space you make 6 triple crochet stitches. So make 3 triple crochets on top of the puff stitch and 6 more triple crochets on top into the chain 4 space. Okay, now again chain 3, skip the double crochet, directly start your group of 5 stitches. Again chain 1 and make one triple crochet on top of the last 2 stitches. Okay, so that completes our row number 8. I think by now you would have understood how the pattern is going to go. Now we are moving on to row number 9, where we'll be making these 15 stitches into 11 and making this part into this part right here, where we'll be making a triple crochet here, creating 2 sets of 3 chains. Okay, so now let's get into that row number 9. So even like even from the start of the part 2, everything is kind of the repeat row, but then you're repeating the block by block. But once you reach row number 13, you can just start repeating from row 2 to row 13 over and over again till you reach the length that you want. Now for row number 9, you again start with the chain 3, turn your work, make 1 triple crochet on top of the very next triple crochet. So here we have a chain 1. Now you're going to make that chain 1 into chain 3, and you're going to start your group of 5 stitches, which is right here. Because since it's an odd row, you start with the back post triple crochet, front post triple crochet, back post triple crochet on top of the puff stitch, front post triple crochet, again back post triple crochet. So now you're at the chain 3 space, where you just make a chain 3, skip the first 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet into the next 11 stitches. Basically you will skip 2 stitches from either side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now chain 3, and you're going to start off your group of 5 stitches. Since it's an odd row, you start with the back post triple crochet. On top of the puff stitch, you make a back post triple crochet as well. Front post and back post. Now we are at the chain 3 between the 2 groups of 5 stitches. So you chain 3, make 1 double triple crochet into the chain 3, and again chain 3, and move on to your next group of 5 stitches, where you start with the back post triple crochet, front post triple crochet, make a back post triple crochet on top of the puff stitch, front post triple crochet and back post triple crochet, chain 3, skip the first 2 stitches and make one double crochet into the next 11 stitches. So on either side you would have skipped 2 stitches. Now again chain 3, move on to the group of 5 stitches, starting with the back post. Now again here we have a chain 1 which you will be making into a chain 3 and completing your row with 2 triple crochet stitches at the last 2 stitches. The last stitch will be your turning chain from the previous row. So that completes row number 9. You can already see that eye almost forming. Moving on to row number 10, which is a double crochet row. You just start off with a chain 1, make 1 double crochet and make 1 more double crochet. Into the chain 3 space you make 2 double crochets, chain 3 and make your set of 5 triple crochet stitches. Since this is an even row, your work starts with a front post and you also have to make a puff stitch. Again a chain 3. Now you're going to skip 3 stitches from here and making 1 double crochet into the next 5 stitches alone. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again on this side you would have skipped 3 stitches. So chain 3, you go on to the group of 5 stitches, starting with the front post since this is a even number row. Also make sure to make a puff stitch in the middle stitch right there. Okay, which will bring us to the 2 set of chain 3s here. Okay, bar, you'll be making 2 double crochets into the chain 3, 1 double crochet on top of the double triple crochet and 2 double crochet into the chain 3 space. Okay, so just this particular row right here. Now again Okay, before you start this, you have to make a chain 3 as well. So after your group of 5 stitches, chain 3, and then you do this 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet on top of the triple crochet, and 2 double crochets, chain 3, and you can move on to your group of 5 stitches, starting with the front post since it is an even number. Okay, now again chain 3, you're going to skip 3 double crochets and make only 5 double crochet stitches. Again chain 3, skip this part here and move on to your group of 5 stitches just like you did on this side. Okay, okay, so before you end the row, you again make 3 double crochet stitches into this space right here, and 1 double crochet into each of those triple crochet stitches. Okay, so that completes row number 10. Moving on to row number 11, again we start off with double crochet stitches. So chain 1, turn your work, make 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 more double crochet into the second stitch, 1 more double crochet into the third stitch. Now chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into the fourth stitch. Now before you start off the group of 5 stitches, you place 3 double crochet stitches into the chain 1 space that you made. Okay, now since this is a odd row, you chain 3 and start your group of 5 stitches with a back post. Then a front post triple crochet, a back post triple crochet around the post of the puff stitch, again a front post triple crochet, and a back post triple crochet. Okay, now chain 3. Now you just make 1 triple crochet into the middle stitch of the 5 triple crochet stitches from the previous row. This kind of wraps up the eye. Again chain 3. You can move on directly to the group of 5 stitches, starting with the back post triple crochet, a front post triple crochet, again okay. Now we are here at the 5 stitches which we created with the chain spaces here. Okay, here you make 3 double crochets. Okay, start off with the chain 3 and make 3 double crochets into the chain 3 from the previous stitch, and on top of the five double crochets you are going to make 5 more double crochet stitches. From here the next row will be the decrease row, and into this chain 3 space you again make 3 double crochet stitches, again chain 3, move on to your group of 5 stitches starting with the back post, okay, which will bring us back to the the 5 double crochet stitch, where you will just do a chain 3 and 1 triple crochet on top of the middle stitch, closing the eye. Again chain 3, move on to your group of 5 stitches with a back post triple crochet. Okay, again we reach the chain 3 space here, where you make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, you make 1 double crochet on top of each of those 4 stitches from the previous row. Okay, so here you have a chain 1 space, so make 1 chain and then make 2 more stitches. So that completes our row number 11. Okay, so moving on to row number 12, which is where we'll be doing the decrease stitches. Now let's start off with the decrease row. Again you chain 3 turn your work. We are going to start our decrease right from here. Okay, so you make 2 decrease stitches here. So start with 1 incomplete triple crochet, move on to the next stitch, make 1 incomplete triple crochet. Again, spot the next 2 stitches, make a decrease. Okay. Now we'll be left with 2 stitches. Make 1 triple crochet on top of these 2 stitches, and you would have done a chain 1 there, where you will place 2 triple crochet stitches, a chain 3, and you make your group of 5 stitches starting with the front post, since this is a even number row. Okay, now you're here at this triple crochet space where you just crochet 3 chains and directly move on to the group of 5 stitches. Starting with the front post triple crochet. Okay. Into this chain 3 space, you make 3 triple crochet stitches, sorry, 2 triple crochet stitches, and you make 2 triple crochet stitches into the next 2 triple crochets from the previous row, and then you start your decrease. So decrease 1, the second decrease you will pick up 1 stitch and skip the next stitch and make your decrease into the next one. So this will be the middle of the 5 stitches from the previous row. Again, make 1 more decrease, 2 more triple crochets, and 2 more triple crochets into the chain 3 space. Okay, chain 3. Okay, and move on to your group of 5 stitches. chain 3, directly move on to the next group of 5 stitches. Now into the chain 3, you make 3 double crochets. Sorry, 2 double crochets. Before that, you have to make a chain 3 and then 2 double crochets. Chain 3, 2 double crochets, then 2 triple crochets onto the next 2 stitches, 2 decrease stitches, which will bring us to the last 2 stitches. Okay, now for the last row, that is row number 13, which is very simple. It's kind of like the setup row as in row number 1, where you will start off with the chain 3, make 1 triple crochet, chain 4, make 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, make your group of 5 stitches starting with the back loop. Skip these 3 chains, directly move on to your next group of 5 stitches. Again 3 double crochets into this space, the chain 3 space before the group of 5 stitches. Again chain 4, find the 3 stitch decrease and make a puff stitch on top. Again chain 4, move on to the next chain 3 space, just right here, make 3 double crochet stitches, and make your group of 5 starting with the back post. Again directly skip these stitches and move on to your next group of 5 stitches. Okay, make 3 double crochets into the chain 3 space, chain 4, and make 2 double crochets onto no, 2 triple crochets onto the last 2 stitches. Now that is the end of the stitch. All you have to do is repeat from row number 2 till row number 13 over and over again till you reach the length that you want. So we have actually done row number 1 right here. Now you just have to do row number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 13 to reach the length that you want. Do try out the stitch. Row number 2 to 6 are in the part 1 of this video. And if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will reach out to you, or you can reach us out on our Instagram page. If you make something out of this, please do tag us on our Instagram page. It's a lovely stitch. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.